Do you want your website to load instantly on mobile devices? Do you want the best chance to rank high in Google search? If so, Google AMP is the path forward. In 2015, Google launched a project named Accelerated Mobile Pages, or AMP, to give mobile users a much better experience. Google now instantly loads AMP in search results, meaning if you click on a website that has AMP installed, then the page will load immediately directly on google.com. I tested this on my website and I'm very happy with the results. My placement and clicks and search went up, and I even was getting discovered in Google organically from people not even searching, where people are browsing AMP articles. This is very exciting, especially if you've got a slow website on WordPress and you're frustrated with your mobile search position. What we'll do in this course is I'll go through and show you exactly how to get AMP installed and running and customized on your website the way I'm using it today, because I tested this both before and after, and I am installing and using AMP indefinitely going forward on my website. I imagine you'll have so much fun learning how to get Google AMP installed on WordPress, and we will go into learning the basics of AMP to begin with, and then go through what I am using, how I'm implementing it on my website today. Thank you very much for getting started with this course. I'm so excited to teach you Google AMP.